Kovalam beach is undoubtedly one of the beautiful beaches in India. Since the tides are low, people can easily bath on the sea here. Lot of water activities available including boating, and Vidinyam beach and lighthouse are not to be missed here. There is a small rock cut temple nearby. Other tourist places near Kovalam are aazhimala Shiva temple and the Puvar Islands. Boating and floating house stay. Kovalam is located at the distance of 16 kilometers from Thiruvananthapuram Central Railway Station and Thiruvananthapuram Central Bus Terminal. 15 kilometers from Thiruvananthapuram International Airport. Now you are watching the aazhimala Shiva temple beach area. This is Kerala's tallest Shiva statue in aazhimala Shiva temple. A 58 feet tall statue of Lord Shiva was unveiled in Thiruvananthapuram with the Arabian Sea in the background. This is the tallest Shiva statue in Kerala, which was built by 29-year-old in 6 years and 8 months. Kerala's tallest Shiva sculpture constructed at aazhimala temple near Kovalam here has been opened for the people. Construction of the 58 feet tall sculpture of Gangadhareshwara figure in the cliff of aazhimala beach started 6 years ago. The sculpture of Lord Shiva in the Gangadhareshwara figure, which is here flying in the wind and holding goddess Ganga in the aazhimala Shiva temple in the district of Thiruvananthapuram, is a sight to behold. Kovalam beach is undoubtedly one of the beautiful beaches in India. Since the tides are low, people can easily bath on the sea here. Lot of water activities available including boating,